Imagine printing for up to a full year without changing your ink cartridges. With the Brother INKvestment Tank printer, that's exactly what you get: uninterrupted printing that saves you time and money. The 4 cartridges included right out of the box are designed to last, so you can focus on your projects without the hassle of frequent replacements. What sets this printer apart is its revolutionary INKvestment Tank system. Unlike traditional cartridges, these are engineered to hold more ink and continuously feed the internal tank. That means a steady, reliable ink supply that keeps your workflow smooth and efficient. No more sudden ink runs or unexpected stops mid-print. Managing your printing tasks has never been easier. The free Brother Mobile Connect app puts the power right at your fingertips. Whether you're printing, scanning, copying, or checking printer status, the app's intuitive menu lets you control everything directly from your mobile device. It's convenience that fits your busy lifestyle. Worried about running out of ink? Brother's Page Gauge removes all guesswork. This clear, visual tool shows exactly how much ink you've used and what's left. You can print confidently, knowing when to replace cartridges without any surprises. It's a simple way to stay on top of your printing needs. Brother also ensures quality and compatibility with their genuine INKvestment Tank ink. These cartridges are specially designed to work seamlessly with your printer, offering both standard and high-yield options. That means consistent, sharp prints every time, whether you're handling everyday documents or color-rich projects. Users across the United States praise this printer for its value and versatility. One standout feature is the dual tray design, including a rear feed that handles cardstock effortlessly. This flexibility makes it ideal for a variety of printing tasks, from professional reports to creative projects. If you're looking for a printer that combines long-lasting ink, smart management tools, and dependable quality, the Brother INKvestment Tank is worth a look. It streamlines your printing experience and cuts down on interruptions, exactly what busy homes and offices need. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your printing setup. With up to a year of ink right out of the box and easy mobile control, the Brother INKvestment Tank printer delivers convenience and savings that matter.